This is my video for Module 1 Practice, Building a Periscope by Nicole Shoemaker for ACTE655 Integrated STEM Education. The problem given is that we would like to be able to see above a crowd if we're of average height and in a crowded location. We don't want to have to stand on anything, but we would still like to be able to see. A possible solution is a periscope. Periscopes use light reflection and mirrors to allow you to see above your line of sight or around corners. To design my periscope, I did a little research to find a simple diagram to help me see how one should work. I wanted to use a design that required a cardboard box, mirrors, and hot glue for supplies. To get started building, we cut holes in the box in the middle at the bottom edge and in the middle at the top edge. Then we mounted 2 mirrors opposite the holes. Initially, we glued them down just along one edge to allow for adjustment of the mirror angles later once we were ready to look through the periscope and ensure we were able to see. Here is the periscope that we built. We started with a cardboard box with 2 mirrors mounted on the inside, one at the top and one at the bottom. And when you look through the box, you can see things above your line of sight. So here I asked my model how many fingers I was holding up, and she was able to tell me. And then I asked to hold it up to the camera on my computer, and if you find the right angle, you can see the top of the painting on the wall in our dining room. In summary, our goal was to see above the crowd, and our simple periscope design was pretty easy to make, and it was successful. It did allow you to see over or around things. Doing a little research during the Imagine and Plan steps allowed us to use knowledge that others have discovered rather than starting from scratch. If I were going to continue to work on my design, an improvement would be to build it again using an even taller box to get more added height from my periscope.